रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम, सब्जी दाल मसाले इन सबको टटोले हम। रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम, सब्जी दाल मसाले इन सबको टटोले हम। रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम, रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम।
नमस्कार, रसोई के रहस्य के इस एक्सपर्ट स्टॉक के नए एपिसोड में आप सबका स्वागत है। हमारी ये जर्नी जो है बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होती जा रही है, आगे दौड़ रही है, भाग रही है और इतनी सारी चीजें सीखने के बाद हर वक्त ऐसा लगता है कुछ एक चीज और है जो हमें सीखनी है। तो ऑन पॉपुलर डिमांड सब लोग हमसे पूछ रहे थे कि आज के दिन में हेल्दी खाना है, जल्दी पकाना है, सब करना है, उसके लिए एयर फ्रायर एक ऐसा माध्यम है, एक ऐसा यंत्र है जिससे हम वैसा ही खाना बना सकते हैं जैसे रेगुलरली बनता हो, बट दिस इज हेल्थियर बिकॉज इट इज कुकिंग यूजिंग हॉट एयर। सो ये जर्नी हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कौन कर रहा है ये मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करा देती हूँ। मेरे साथ आज हमारी एक्सपर्ट हैं फिरदौस जान जो बैंगलोर में रहती हैं। शी इज ए वंडरफुल कुक, बहुत अलग अलग तरह की चीजें बनाती है, एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हैं, उनकी मतलब झटपट खाना बनता है और बहुत स्वादिष्ट बनता है। शी इज ऑल्सो मॉम टू ए 6-year-old स्पेशल नीड्स चाइल्ड हु इज हैप्पी, इंडिपेंडेंट एंड वेल एडजस्टेड यंग गर्ल। तो आई एम श्योर फिरदौस हमारे लिए भी बहुत कुछ नई नई चीजें लेकर आई हैं। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स वेलकम फिरदौस। Firdaus, welcome to Rasoi Ke Rahasya.
Thank you so much for giving me this chance. I'm really happy that, I could come here and talk to you and pass on what I've learned over the few years to people who really, will utilize it. So as you wanted to know things about air fryers,
Yes.
let me just start by saying that it's a really good gadget to have. आपका काम इतना आसान हो जाता है किचन में उससे. Everybody loves fried food. But of course, the issue is that you cannot have it on a regular basis. So air fryer से क्या होता है that you have the same fried stuff but without deep frying it. तो आपको उसको तेल में फ्राई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It has made everything so simple and so easy. So air fryer basically is a countertop machine. It's a mix of a OTG and OTG and a deep fryer, you can say. Right. But in a deep fryer, you use oil. Here, you don't need to use oil. So, there are a lot. Although air fryer has been in the market, I think, for quite some time now. I think the first time I saw it was some 7 years back, 7-8 years back.
Right.
So, I'm sure uske pehle bhi hua hoga wo 1-2 saal. But I saw it only 8 years back. And at that time, there was only one model in the market.
Right.
But since then, usme bhi itna evolve ho gaya hai. That you have a number, every company has its own air fryer and every air fryer has different features.
Right.
So मेरी कोशिश ये थी कि मैं ऐसा कोई air fryer देखूं जो हमारी community के लिए easy हो जाता है यूज करना. जैसे कि abroad में है, there are air fryers that talk to you, so you know what you're pressing because it will talk back.
बिल्कुल.
तो but sadly अभी हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में वैसा नहीं आया है कुछ भी. So it was difficult for me to, come to a conclusion which would be the best for everybody to use. But the one I'm using is a front open. वो आगे से खुलता है, जैसे आप अवन का डोर खोलते हैं वैसा उसका डोर खुलता है. नहीं तो जनरली क्या एयर फ्रायर्स का बास्केट होता है that you have to pull out.
ऊपर से खींचना पड़ता है, उसको ऊपर से खींचना होता है. राइट.
एंड वो एकदम राउंड होता है बास्केट. सो पुटिंग समथिंग you need to know the exact size that you're putting into it. जो मैं यूज करती हूँ उसमें आपको अगर पता है कि ये डिश साइज उसमें पहुंचेगा, सो कि उतना बड़ा आप उसमें चीज डाल सकते हो. एंड वो थोड़ा बड़ा है बाकी वो बास्केट टाइप से. So I am using a Havells Digi oven. It's called a Digi air fryer. Digi oven air fryer.
Okay.
वो oven के जैसे खुलता है. It's really good. The only problem I feel is that it has a touch screen.
Right.
So touch screen से क्या होता है that you're not able to feel the buttons.
Correct.
That's the only issue that I thought would create a little problem. But for that also, what I feel is that when you ask for a demo, you can just ask them to label each. And another advantage that it has that all the panel is in one row.
Right.
It doesn't go in a circle or anything. It's in one row. So if you know the first label, second, third, so it's in a row. So you can just on your fingertips you can count
वो
what
भी
is
है,
there.
and
The
then we
first
can
one.
put buttons also. मतलब हम लोग क्या करते हैं उसको, we get those stickers, we get little bump on stickers.
Absolutely.
तो उसके
Right,
ऊपर
right.
हर जगह पे लगा दिए तो वो हम लोग को टच करके इमीडिएटली पता चलता है.
हाँ, राइट. इसमें वो इजी हो जाएगा लगाना
Correct.
क्योंकि एक स्ट्रेट पैनल है.
That's good.
And it's easier to recall, कि first button ये है, last button ये है. It's that easy. नहीं तो Philips का आता है, it comes with a knob as well. तो knob घुमाना है, but I don't know how easy or difficult that would be for everyone to use. But what I felt after, reading up and looking around at all the models here, I felt that this DigiOven is a really good option with the stickers that somebody else can fix. Once the oven stickers are fixed on the panel, it becomes really
Then
easy
you're good
for
to go.
everybody.
वैसे तो knobs are also difficult क्योंकि कई सारी चीजों में even microwaves and all we prefer knobs क्योंकि knob को move करना फिर भी थोड़ा सा easy हो जाता है. एक बार पता चल जाए कि कितना move करना है. But then like you're saying, since the panel is also simple, सीधा panel है तो उसको stick करके एक बार मतलब उतना कोई problem नहीं होना चाहिए stickers लगाने के बाद.
नहीं है. हाँ, नहीं होगा, प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा.
ऑप्शंस आते हैं अगर ये पैनल पे अगर ऑप्शंस हम लें तो कितने ऑप्शंस होते हैं?
See, on my DigiOven, there are quite a bit of, the first option is for frying. The second is for reheating. The third is for roasting your meat.
Correct.
Fourth is for chicken.
I see.
Fifth is for dehydrating.
Right.
And sixth is for baking.
I see. Okay.
So it's all in a line.
Right.
And trust me when I tell you that I use each and every thing, on that. And I use it at least 2-3 times a day.
Wonderful.
So you can basically make your entire meal in that. And you don't need to prep too much. You don't need to, do things. In fact, I mean, of course, in one session, it's not possible to give recipes, so many recipes and all.
Come back to you. आपसे आज हम orientation और सब जान लेंगे. फिर उसके बाद में हम आपके साथ फिर से जुड़ेंगे खूब सारी recipes लेकर.
I'm always available. कभी भी आपको चाहिए, you can always reach out to me. I'll be glad to help. So इसमें क्या है? The air fryer, I mean, only thing that you have to be careful about is कि वो जो inbuilt इसका आता है, it took me a while to figure out, because initially जब मैंने, when I followed the cat, इसके साथ जो book आया था, when I followed that, I observed कि हर चीज या तो बहुत ज्यादा dry हो रहा है, if I'm making chicken, it's becoming so dry. कि ये क्या हो रहा है? And fries, when I put the fries on the time that is already given, inbuilt time जो है, like when you just start it, so it will come with like when you select fries and you put your fries in, आप चला दो तो उसका शायद 15 मिनट का timer है, inbuilt timer. So as per them, you need to cook your fries for 15 minutes. But that's too much. That's what I observed. That's too much. By the end of it, they become very woody and very hard, So you have to reduce, for everything that you cook, you just reduce the time that is given there. That is one thing that you need to keep in mind, because a lot of people complain that everything in the air fryer becomes very dry and very thin. That is why, because you don't need to keep it in for so much time.
So I have a question here. I'm sorry to interrupt, but I have a little question here. कि मतलब इसका temperature जो जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कम करना है, तो each of these modes जो आपने बताए to cook various things, are these temperatures by default या इस तरह separate temperature button जैसे OTG में होता है वो भी है?
हाँ, वो भी है. इसमें plus minus है. But when you start it, if you want to roast meat in it, and you'll press the button, you'll put your meat in and you'll press the roast option. Right. उसमें default है, temperature है default.
Right.
So generally what people do is they'll start with that temperature.
Okay.
But what I suggest is always go down. Go down at least by 20. So उसमें inbuilt आता है around 180. Go down by 20. So that way is what happens is the moisture in the meat is retained. And it's really, really nice once it's cooked.
टेम्परेचर के बटन अलग है या उसी पे रोस्ट पर ही हमको वापस प्रेस करना होता है टेम्परेचर के लिए? व्हाट इज इट? आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड.
There's a straight panel. It starts with temperature plus minus.
Right.
Plus and minus, and then in a straight line all these are there, the options that I told you. And then again there's a plus minus for time.
So मतलब टाइम अगर आप ज्यादा करें कम करें तो उसमें that is what, मतलब temperature stays but your timing changes, which changes the complexion of what you're cooking. Is that it?
Right. Yes. So inbuilt जो timing है इसका, inbuilt आता है इसका time. Say 15 minutes it will, for baking generally it gives me 35 minutes. When I'm baking bread, so the default temperature it gives me is 180 and it gives me 35 minutes.
Right.
But what I do is I start my breads with 150.
Right.
So I start at 150 and I bring the time down to around 20 minutes.
Right.
Then after 10 minutes, I increase the time by 5.
Right.
So I bake it at 155. Whereas in the oven, if you're baking a bread, you won't bake it less than 180. So here it is like, you need less temperature than whatever recipe calls for. You already have a recipe that you bake often. You can just reduce the temperature in that.
Right.
And the time in that. Time, I would suggest minimum 10 minutes.
वो भी वही उसी लाइन में पैनल में आखिर में है टेम्परेचर एंड टाइम, तो उसको भी हम लोग मार्क कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. It is actually not difficult to use.
Perfect.
It is not difficult to use.
Sounds good. तो इसमें मतलब जो भी चीज हम डालें अंदर से कैसा है, इन द सेंस के आर देयर टू रैक्स या वो एक ही बास्केट है, किस तरह से, इफ यू कैन जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दैट.
Okay. So in my Digi oven that I'm using, air fryer, it has racks.
Okay.
Like if you want to make a lot of fries,
right,
so you can put it on 2 racks and put both the racks in.
Right.
एक नीचे एक ऊपर. So once the top rack is done, you just remove that and let the other rack be in for another extra 5 minutes. So you're making a larger quantity, but in almost the same time.
Right, ठीक है.
So the one that I'm talking about, the Digi oven, Havel's Digi oven, it is actually a little more spacious than the rest in the market.
Okay. So इसमें मतलब एक ही, if we ask for a Digi oven, अगर हमने देखना है तो we ask for a Digi oven, is there are there various capacities के इतने लीटर या एक ही हम अगर Digi oven air fryer मांगे तो वही हमको मिलेगा?
हाँ, वही मिलेगा.
And any idea approximately pricing क्या होगी? मेरे को बताया था कि आपने काफी साल पहले खरीदा था.
So the pricing is like, it is, the actual cost is around, I think, or if you go to the Havel's website, if I'm not wrong, it is something 17,000 change. But if you go to, then if you just search on Google for best price for this, you will actually end up getting it for a lot less. I got mine, I think for around 12,000 change, around 13.
Right.
But after a month of me buying and I posting a review about it, a few of my friends they got for 11. So the prices, it's like Amazon always has discounts. So you will always get a good discount on it. Yes. But whereas the Philips one, you will get for a little less. I think so. You should get it for a little less than this.
हाँ, वही वो अब तो आपने पहले खरीदा था. By now, I think in any case and there'll be more models. There's more competition and all that stuff. So you can always look at better prices at a time.
Definitely. But all air fryers have the same mechanism. They work the same way. And you should follow the tips that I gave you. Just follow the same for any brand that you have. The only thing is the way you put
the same, like you said.
Yes, it is the same. Air blows to cook the food. It is the same in all.
This is very interesting. And तो अभी अगर just to understand various आपके जो ये options थे, now just to understand how we are working with this. Fries तो जैसे आपने कहा, a lot of people do fries and smileys and things like that for the children in the microwave also, and this as well. But if you're talking about other foods, let's say for example, अगर हमको कुछ सब्जी या कुछ बनानी है इसके अंदर, so what are the suggestions or what are the tips that one is to look at? Because we are all complete newbies. हम लोग सब शायद ही कोई होगा जो इतना काम air fryer में करता हो. So what is it that you would suggest?
So now for sabzis and all, what I do is I roast, I bake, I fry in this. So if you want a roast, veggie roast, so you can just marinate all your veggies in a little bit of oil and all your masalas and put it in at the chicken option.
Right.
Yeah, chicken option and let it cook. Depends on what veggies you're using, 15 minutes is a good time for all the veggies. So you'll have a nice roast ready.
Fabulous. Nice.
For potatoes, I put at the meat setting.
Right.
So, and once the meat setting gets over, I bake it for a bit, for 5 minutes, just to give that texture.
Right. Okay. And if we want to make, say something like one pot meals and things like that, अगर चावल की जैसी चीज बनानी हो, is there a possibility?
See, I'll have to explore that. There's nothing as nahi ho sakta. It's just that I haven't explored that, chawal banane ka system as yet. But I can always, give it a try and let you know how it works.
I'm
Bake
just
option
thinking,
में
things like जैसे राइस कुकर में हम लोग पुलाव वगैरह बनाना होता है, तो राइस कुकर के अंदर मसाला पूरा इकट्ठा करके डाल देते हैं, पुट राइस एंड जस्ट लेट इट कुक. ऑफ कोर्स राइस कुकर इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंट फॉर राइस, तो उसका फंक्शन अलग है. बट ऐसे ही फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ माय हेड इट जस्ट केम के ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है.
No, I mean, it's always possible because इसमें जो options है, like bake, right? You can make it at the bake setting. करने को तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं इसमें. Rice, I mean, out of personal experience, I cannot say anything, but I will definitely, experiment and let you know. This definitely, I will work on this. I will actually work on always my goal is always to make simplify recipes so that everybody can, use them.
Absolutely.
But now that you've told me about this rice thing, give me some time to experiment with it and figure out if that is possible, and then we'll get back on that.
Absolutely.
So I'll let you know and you can update.
Ovens में biryani वगैरह, I mean, people do make ovens, oven
Oh,
में biryani,
yes.
half cooked rice and meat को marinate करके सब डाल के इकट्ठा पका लेते हैं. So there must be some way of doing it. But like you said, since you've not experienced it, it's
I haven't, but definitely हो सकता है. See, it's all heat है. You have heat available in it, so you can do anything with it. The possibilities are unlimited, but just that I have to do it. I will do it and get back to you.
Fair enough. No, that's absolutely okay, because I've seen your recipes and they're all very extremely healthy, and meats or veggies वगैरह सब जो आप बनाते हैं, तो they are all extremely healthy, your air fryer ones, and I've seen that. And the simplification
One pot
is the
pastas I have done. In this one pot pastas, yes, I have done in this. And veggies I do. I keep roasting veggies and making one pot veggie things. So yes, if you have cooked rice, leftover rice,
पास्ता
that
बन जाता है तो राइस भी बनता होगा. पास्ता कैसे
Definitely,
बनता
yes.
है? पास्ता कैसे बनता है? Which option would the pasta be cooked on?
no pasta. What I do actually is I pre-boil the pasta, and
Right.
in the dish I will put tomatoes. I put little olive oil, salt, garlic, and I put feta cheese in. You can skip out the feta cheese if you don't want. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Take it out, mash it up nicely. Again, put it in for another 5 minutes. Take it out, mix your pasta, put it all in for 2 minutes, and it's ready. Just grate some cheese on top.
Exciting. This sounds really, really exciting. See?
It hardly takes 10 to 12 minutes at the most.
And baking also, again, like we were just speaking, आप कहती हैं कि आप baking भी इसमें कर लेती हैं. So I think it's
Also, as I told you, and I'm telling everybody that you can do anything in this. You can bake also. The thing is, as you know, I'm a home baker. I sell my cakes.
right.
So, as I told you that I'm a home baker, so apart from those cakes that I make for selling, apart from that, everything else that I bake at home, be it breads, you've seen my breads on the page, be it breads or be it meat or be it, I've stopped using my OTG completely for any kind of meat. I do everything in this air fryer. The fries that you make in this are superb, and you don't need to put any oil at all.
Right.
Yes, if you make the fries at home, then you might need to add a spoon of oil to them. Otherwise, the ones that you buy from the market, the ready to use ones or the smileys and all that,
Right,
you
right.
don't need any oil at all. Just put them on the rack and put them on that fries setting.
Right.
That's it. Within 5 to 7 minutes, your things will be ready. Fries take around 10 minutes. Smileys and all won't take more than 7 minutes.
Excellent.
That's all
Because
that is.
I've heard people, I mean, there's only one person I know. I have friends who use this. They're both blind and they use it mostly to do this. And she mentioned that she has recently started making, those bruschetta kind things with garlic bread and some toppings and some cheese. And she says, I put it into my air fryer. And जो भी
Right.
मतलब उनका setting बाकी चीजों का जो होता है, they put it in that and they cook it. And it's jhatpat also, and it's something good that you're giving the child and you're not sort of,
Right. I actually missed out 2 settings on my air fryer. There's a pizza setting and there's a toast setting.
Oh, wonderful.
So now that you talked of this, if you put the bread, you put some topping on your bread and you put it on the toast setting.
Okay.
Within a minute, you will have an amazing thing to eat. So
Yes,
there are
I
so
can
many
imagine.
possibilities.
This is really exciting. I'm quite sure, a lot of people who haven't bought OTGs. Abhi recently, एक हम लोग का baking का चल रहा है episode, and it's an ongoing learning about baking. So for a lot of people who don't have OTGs, who knows, this might just be a good enough and maybe, a competitive option to an OTG.
Oh, yes, yes. If you're not a commercial baker,
ये लोग
anybody
commercial तो
who
नहीं है, हम लोग सब भी like you said,
definitely
for home, for family, for kids, and
for home, anybody who wants to buy a OTG for home, what I suggest is buy an air fryer, a digi oven, and enjoy. You don't need a OTG. No, not at all. If you have this digi oven.
fantastic.
The only drawback of this is that you cannot heat food like you do, although it has a reheat option, but you can reheat your pizzas, your rotis, leftover rotis, and all that stuff. But you can't, gravies and all like you do in a microwave. You can't do that in this. If this had that option, then you wouldn't need your OTG or your microwave.
Or you can just simply do it on the gas stove. मतलब everybody is cooking on the gas stoves also. हम लोग के पास भी everyone in the community cooks on gas stoves वगैरह. So I think reheating food is going to be the least of our concerns. What is the biggest thing for us is going to looking at healthier, simpler options that जो हमको समझ में आ जाए और हम अपने आप इसको handle कर सके. What are the safety suggestions? Is it like the oven? Does it heat up like the oven? क्योंकि microwave में उतना गर्म नहीं होता.
Outside, no, sides don't heat up that much. You shouldn't touch the top of it while it's cooking. All I would suggest is when using this, buy a good pair of oven gloves.
The gloves,
Yes. That's it. That's the only part where I feel a little scared. You might burn yourself. Other than that, if you have a good pair of long gloves, I don't see any issue at all.
तो इसमें आर देयर एनी एक्सपोज कॉइल्स जैसे ओटीजी में ऊपर के कॉइल्स एक्सपोज्ड होते हैं, इसमें ऐसा कुछ है दैट
नहीं, इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें ऊपर फैन होता है, उस पे भी एक कवर है. सो वो कभी कभी आप निकाल के उसको भी वॉश कर सकते हो.
So there is no coil business over here.
Oh no. There's no coil and all. Once you take it, मतलब आप जब आप there's no way that you'll ऊपर से touch लग जाएगा and coil से जल जाएगा. No, nothing like that. But because of course it becomes really hot, so you will need a good pair of gloves.
Fair enough. When you're dealing with that kind of temperature, तो उसमें in fact microwave में भी अगर ज्यादा देर के लिए कुछ चीज गर्म करो तो उसको निकालने के लिए you have to protect your hands.
Right.
So that is absolutely okay. So iske alawa, what else? Is there anything else that you would like to tell us here before, we sort of think about the next time when we are going to do recipes with you? तो इसमें और कुछ suggestions हैं आपके लिए for a person
So
who's
for
buying?
people, yeah. So I would suggest you see which one you are buying. As I said, the one that I'm using is a oven type. So the door opens and then the plate slides in.
Right.
So you can touch and feel the size of the plate and the thing is the plate doesn't heat up. You can keep the plate out and preheat your thing and then put your food that you're cooking on the plate and put it in. So
Right.
that won't, that would be easy to handle because it stays cold. It's not hot. Whereas in a basket, you will put the basket in and heat it up, right? So the basket could hurt more, could burn you more than this. So that's what I felt that this is much easier to use.
फ्रंट लोडिंग वैसे भी easier होता है हैंडल करने के लिए. फ्रंट से अगर कुछ भी डालना हो तो it becomes simpler because its basic approach is simpler. That's it.
Right. And as for healthy recipes, there are so many things that you can do, and in half the time. So if people who eat chicken can just marinate the chicken, just put some herbs, some oil, or lemon juice, and put it in on chicken setting for 15 minutes, and your chicken is ready.
Perfect.
So there are a lot of recipes that you can make in it. For fries also, if you don't want to buy the market fries, just chop up the potatoes. If you do that at home, then chop up the potatoes. You just need to, put them in boiling water.
Right.
Leave them in for a few minutes, drain out the water, coat with oil and put them in for frying. That's it.
Right, right.
So it's as easy as that. If
So
you're making
oil content
cutlets,
is very little. मतलब जो आप regular करेंगे उसके हिसाब से for things that need oil to be used also, that content of oil is very, very minimal. Is that it?
you can cook without oil also.
Mhm.
The only problem is that it will become a little drier
क्या,
than you would
हाँ,
want.
वो texture उसका
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा dehydrated सा हो
Thoda.
जाएगा.
Right, right. So like if you want to make cutlets in it,
Mhm.
and I make without oil also. But the thing is, they become a little drier. But when
So मतलब
when you
basting के
brush,
जैसे, you're just basting it basically. You're just
yes,
basting it. बस
you just
उतना
have
ही.
to brush that. Yes, right, right. You just have
Right.
to brush. Brush पे थोड़ा oil लेके उस पे लगा के आप अंदर डाल दीजिए, and your cutlets are ready.
Ah, this is
So there's a
very
lot of things
exciting.
that you can do.
It's
A
very
lot of things.
exciting. I want to
So
myself
the
make space in my kitchen now and get myself one of these and start using them. But I think this will be a very, very good addition to anybody's kitchen, especially if they're looking at cooking healthy. And apart from healthy, आप जैसे बता रही हैं, it's extremely accessible. That's the more important thing for
yes,
us.
yes, true, true, true. Accessible and I mean it's so easy to use. My kids go into the kitchen and use it now. I mean, I am very comfortable letting my elder one go and use it, and
Yeah,
whereas
yeah.
with the oven, I'm a little scared she might burn her hand, or she might, end up touching the thing to both the rods, and she might create a short circuit or something. In this, there's no chance.
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, because कई बार यही होता है, and kids as they grow up want to also experiment, want to do things. So this seems like ये बहुत ही safe option है बच्चों के लिए भी, अगर आप उनसे भी कुछ कराना चाहें तो एक बार
हाँ, definitely.
orientation हो जाए तो उसके बाद सबका मतलब मामला सेट है, so to speak.
Definitely. Only thing I would suggest is anybody who is buying, ask for a demo. They do come and give demos. They will come and give demos. So you can ask them to put stickers for you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So
अब वो
that will become easier.
बिल्कुल. And somehow, and जो options हमको लगता है हम नहीं use करते. For instance, there are people who, like you said, potatoes, it's interchangeable. Potatoes को meat option पे करके it cooks better. So it's very simple. In case you choose to skip a few which you think you're not going to use, you can very easily skip those and just keep the ones that you think you will use. वो भी किया जा सकता है.
No, I can assure you there is no way that all those options won't be used. You will definitely use those. I mean, when it says chicken, it's not just for chicken.
Chicken, yes.
You can cook your vegetables also. It's just that the timing and the heat matters, right? So the heat on meat is different. The heat on chicken is different.
Right.
Difference in the options is just that.
So it's better to be used to be sort of well versed with जितनी भी options है उन सबको एक बार समझ लें तो उसके साथ में फिर experiment भी हो सकता है और अलग अलग तरह के timings.
Right. It's all once you start using it, you will yourself understand it. कि आज मैंने ये fry पे cook किया तो it became a little dry. Let me try on this bake instead.
Correct. बिल्कुल.
So that's how it works. It's trial and error basically, and that's how first month for me was also just trial and error. And let me add to it, I don't know, non-vegetarians who love their kebabs, since I bought this, I have stopped making kebabs any other way.
Nice.
I do those only, be it sheikh kebabs or be it any kind of tikkas, be it, any kind of roast. I use only the air fryer for that. And I sell food, right? So I have a little, whatever I make, I sell also. So there are these chicken recipes that, people just wait. The day I make, they're like ready to pounce on it. And they keep requesting, you didn't make that. So there are recipes that, I would not make on anything else other than this. They're so moist and they're so good.
Nice. This has been really, really informative, Firdaus. Thank you for spending so much time. And but we will definitely come back with you and learn a few recipes. आप हमारे लिए थोड़ी बहुत earmark करके अगर आप recipes रखें, थोड़े vegetables, थोड़े chicken का या एक bake हो कोई, बाकी कुछ भी ऐसी चीजें जो बच्चों के लिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग हो. एंड because where there are kids at home, the motivation of cooking is half because of what the children want, as you would know very well as well.
Oh, of course.
So ऐसी तरह की कुछ चीजें अगर हो तो we will definitely come around and speak with you again. concentrating on recipes and ingredients. So if that works, that would be really fun.
As I said, I'll be glad to, come back again anytime you want and help out in any way. In fact, what I'll do now next time, as you know, I go live on my Facebook page also. So next time when I go live for something, I'll record the audio and I'll send it to you so that you'll have a recipe to share on your page.
Wonderful.
So you can share that audio along with it. I will create some nice, easy recipes for you guys, and I'll pass them on to you. You can share them with the community.
That'll be really awesome.
I'll be glad to help in any way. I'll feel so happy when you guys enjoy those recipes.
Yes, absolutely.
It's like,
and we'll have lots of feedback because we have some very, very ambitious and some fabulous cooks. We have some really good cooks. So नई चीजें try करने को सब लोग बैठे रहते हैं. In any case, the minute they find something interesting, वो use हो जाता है बहुत ही quickly. So that's great. So thanks again, Firdaus. We will.
Thank you for having me, Payal. I'm glad I could, make it today. And yes, I'm so glad you gave me this opportunity. I feel blessed, to be of any kind of help to you. I am really, glad that you got in touch with me and got me here. I'm always available for you. Please let me know anytime you need anything from me. I'm always there.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. आज का एपिसोड बस यहाँ तक ही. आपने एक नई यंत्र, एक नई मेथड ऑफ कुकिंग के बारे में आज सीखा है. सो इसके आगे और क्या होता है देखते रहिए, हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और सुनते रहिए रसोई के रहस्य. आओ मिलकर खोले हम रसोई के